Welcome to another episode of PBH. Today we're diving into a topic that's both beautiful and challenging. Breastfeeding is tough. While breastfeeding is a natural part of motherhood, it's not without its difficulties. Today, we'll explore the challenges many mothers face during this incredible journey. So, let's get started. The natural bond. Breastfeeding is a unique and natural way for mothers to bond with their newborns. The skin-to-skin contact and the intimate connection formed during breastfeeding are truly remarkable. However, this beautiful journey comes with its share of challenges. Initial challenges. The first few days after childbirth can be particularly demanding. Many mothers experience engorgement, sore nipples, and latching difficulties. These initial challenges can make the process seem overwhelming. It's important to remember that patience and support are key during this phase. Supply and demand. Maintaining an adequate milk supply can be a struggle for some mothers. Factors like stress, diet, and hydration can impact milk production. The pressure to produce enough milk can lead to feelings of inadequacy, but it's crucial to understand that every mother's journey is unique. Sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation takes on a new meaning when you're a breastfeeding mother. Babies often feed during the night, disrupting sleep patterns. This can be physically and emotionally exhausting. Finding ways to get rest and seeking help from partners and family members is vital. Social stigma. While breastfeeding is natural, society's perception of it can sometimes lead to discomfort for mothers. Many women face judgment for breastfeeding in public. This stigma can affect a mother's confidence and hinder her from embracing this journey fully. Seeking support. It's important to remember that no one has to navigate this journey alone. Seeking support from partners, family, friends, and even lactation consultants can make a significant difference. Sharing experiences and learning from others can help mothers feel more confident and empowered. Self-care for mothers. Amidst the challenges, self-care becomes crucial. Taking care of oneself physically and emotionally allows mothers to better care for their babies. Finding moments of relaxation, engaging in activities you love, and practicing mindfulness can help alleviate the stresses of breastfeeding. In conclusion, breastfeeding is a beautiful yet demanding journey that many mothers embark upon. While it comes with challenges such as latching difficulties, supply concerns, sleep deprivation, and societal stigmas, it's essential to remember that every challenge can be overcome. With patience, support, and self-care, mothers can navigate these obstacles and create an extraordinary bond with their babies. Thank you for joining us on this episode of PBH. If you found this information valuable, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more enlightening content. Remember, you're not alone on this journey, and together, we can embrace the beauty and challenges of motherhood. Stay strong and see you in the next episode.